Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add welcome message to your Instagram account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on business. Here you can see different options. You simply need to click on welcome message, click on turn on, and you can write any message that you want. So I'm going to write welcome to my new page. Okay, and it is updating. So this is the process by which you can add welcome message to your Instagram page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.